Hello, today I'm reviewing a new ball machine from Forlihong. It's super light and super affordable, so I'm reviewing and I'm gonna warm up and using this machine for me while I'm gonna talk about the advantages and disadvantages if we have of this machine. So basically you can use this machine by using batteries. You can introduce them here and it's gonna work without any extra elements, but I just prefer to use this. I have it's way comfortable for me here, easy setup, so I just plug this here and I turn this on. And then this machine is also good because it's super simple to use. Basically you can have 6 seconds between balls 5, 4 and 3. I'm gonna put 6 here because I'm gonna warm up with you. This is from where the ball comes. This is actually funny, even for kids, for example, if you use this for your lessons. And here you can use 2 speeds, high and low. And also here you can change, I'm gonna use this a little bit high. And here you can change the directions of the ball. So basically can go more flat, a little bit higher, or up to you. You can choose 5 angles, 5 different angles. I'm gonna choose the third one or fourth to start because I just want to warm up with forehands and backhands, just simple drills. So we're gonna start using and you will check. I'm just gonna introduce the balls here. Now I just took some balls. Let's see how many balls we can put here inside of this machine. I already have here, if not 1, 2, I think only 1 ball. So let's do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26. Basically 26 balls is more than enough for me. I'm just gonna warm up with forehands, then backhands, and I think it's gonna be enough to test it. To turn on is just here on the side, and you can just turn this on here and that's it. If you already have your angle that you shows, the speed of the ball you can adjust here. I'm gonna put a little bit higher, and the pace I put 6 seconds. So let's test it now. I'm gonna put with this angle, and basically this can go up to 20 meters. So instead of starting from this angle, I'm just gonna use it from the middle of the court, also because it's what I like the most as a coach. And the biggest or one of the most common drills is from the middle of the court, from the service line where you feed the ball. So I want the machine exactly in this side, but this machine is also good because you can just, it's portable, so you can just move it wherever you want and it's super easy to use. So let's go. Here. Yes. 2 more. One more. I actually can be consistent with this forehand. It's super easy as long as you use the semi-western grip. It's way more difficult to miss because no matter if you play with more spin or with less, every single ball has a little bit of top spin. That's why I enjoy so much. We can use now the machine for the other side of the court, and because I'm going to be talking with you, instead of backhands, or I can do one-handed backhand or two-handed or inside out, you will see. So basically I already warm up a few forehands, and now I'm gonna change here for 3 seconds between shots, and I'm gonna turn the machine a little bit to the other side. I'm gonna test it to see if it is where I want. Let's see. Again, I'm gonna choose the same height, just a little bit faster the pace, yes. That's it. Now let's test it. This is what I like to do the most. And a few backhands here. Yeah. One. 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 Okay, now I'm a little bit more tired. Just want to say that it's really important to have all the same balls for the machine to give you the exact same balls. And I'm tired. The thing is that I used some balls when the court was wet, so now some balls go normal, some balls go shorter, also because they're soft. So if you use this machine or any other machine, it's really important to use normal balls and the exact same ball to have the same and consistent bounce. And I forgot to mention, but as you see, I'm already getting tired. So this is more than enough for even to my level to get a good practice, to work on our shots, on our challenges, and actually also to improve our strength. So it's really important, and this is for any level, for beginners. And for beginners, I always recommend to use the machine, but have a real program, like Forehand program, like my courses or any video that you can follow step by step, and use the machine to complement, not just use the machine doing wrong movements, because it's not going to help you. So have a structure behind. Now I'm going to show you how to do the volley with the machine. Just going to change the camera for the other side. Let's go. Now, for me, one of the most important things when you play tennis, or if you are a coach, is the placement of yourself, where you feed the ball when you are teaching tennis. And basically, if you are feeding balls to the volley, the most professional place to be is exactly from this side. Of course, if you are working on other specific aspects, you can be, for example, here to open the angle, but my normal place is here. Here you feed the balls, and if you are feeding balls for the forehand or a backhand, usually we feed from this side. So here I'm gonna set up the machine to see if I like how the machine is working for the volley, and then I'm gonna warm up some volleys and you're gonna see from that angle. Let's see if this is okay. I think a little bit more to the side, maybe a little bit higher, like that. I want to have some time to step in with my volley, so I think this is perfect. Let's see. 1, 2, and then you can go back, split step again. 1, 2, and then split step again. 1, 2, and here, always like this. You can work here, always, and go against the ball. It's really important on the volley to put your body weight against the ball, power on this leg, and step in with the other. So power on this leg, and step in with the other. Power, step in. Footwork is everything, not just, and then you can do some backhand volleys also, not from this side, but you can work also here. Here, step in against the ball. 1, 2, here. Drop shot, and finish. As you can see, you can really get tired. You can really do a really good practice with this. I forgot to say that you can ship this machine to Europe or to America. I'm gonna give you the link here. For both sides, you have 10% discount. This machine, I really like it. I really enjoy it. The setup is really easy. As you can see again, it's really comfortable. The things here you can adjust the height of the ball, here the speed, and here you can adjust the timing between shots from 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds, from 3 to 6, and here you can put batteries, and you don't need all this setup. I enjoyed the machine. If you need something practical, cheap, and easy to set up, this is one option that you have. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you already know Furlihong, this brand, and looking forward to read and know what you think about that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.